Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1532 Jackson Road in Penfield.
This is an amazing colonial on over an acre. So let's take a tour.
This is amazing open living with a spacious eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, an adjacent formal dining room with beautiful hardwood floors, an expansive family room with a gorgeous gas fireplace, open to a sunroom, all with nature views. The first floor also features an expansive living room with hardwood floors and a powder room, while the upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and a full bathroom.
Situated on over an acre, this private backyard has beautiful floral gardens and even an outbuilding for all your outdoor activities. In this park-like setting, the ferns, hydrangeas, and lilies are just beautiful. Steps away is Veterans Memorial Park for your total enjoyment.
Nearby, the town of Penfield offers great restaurants and shops. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1532 Jackson Road in Penfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!